I restart with you how I did with Peter, right? The market is confronted with AMD's earnings and trying to work out, is this them gaining some territory on NVIDIA in the accelerator card market, or are they getting a boost, particularly in the quarter gone, from those legacy business lines, PC processors, CPU for server? Let's just start there. What did you learn from AMD?
Yeah, good morning, Ed. We're seeing all of that from AMD. And let's start with the old boring part of AMD, right? The PC CPUs, the standard server CPUs, where they're clearly continuing to gain share versus Intel. And that's a good cash generator for the company. So we shouldn't dismiss that acceleration that we saw there, that success that they're continuing to deliver in terms of share gains. Obviously, a lot of investors are still focused pretty much on the AI opportunity. And what's interesting there is that they've just gotten started. They've only now developed solutions for those accelerators that meet the quality for inference, for example, potentially for training that NVIDIA has. In the past, when we've seen AMD leapfrog Intel back in the old days, they gained an enormous amount of share. We saw that again this time around. Now they have a new opportunity to gain share in the AI accelerator. We're not seeing them gain share except for just a little bit as they get started today. But I think that's something we can look forward to.
Bloomberg's Ian King, who you know, made a really simple point yesterday on the program ahead of AMD earnings. The data center category is just north of $4 billion a quarter business. NVIDIA's data center category is $40 billion or north of $40 billion each quarter. In aggregate, do you see all those ships rising right now with the tide that is AI and infrastructure investment?
It still is, Ed. We're still seeing the pie expand or the tide rise, or whatever analogy you want. But what AMD has that NVIDIA doesn't have is an opportunity to take a greater share of that pie as it grows. And so, I expect we're going to see both companies continue to grow very strongly over time. We own both of those for clients. I own both of them personally, because I think this is an opportunity in AI that is just beginning. I think we have many years ahead. And what we're seeing also in those results from AMD and elsewhere is that enterprises, sovereigns are looking to deploy AI, and that's what's helping to continue to grow that pie.